guys! So today I am doing a what's on my iPhone updated. I have a new phone case. I changed my background. I have a whole new layout on my phone with the iOS 14 update. I made a video redoing it when it came out for the first, when it first came out. I have a video of me doing my phone with the iOS 14 update from a while ago and how to do it and stuff like that, but I totally changed it. It's a whole different vibe. I'm obsessed with it, and I've deleted and uploaded new apps, so I thought I would show you guys all of that. You guys love these type of videos, so I figured I would do this. Before we get into this video, I wanted to talk about my phone case. I get so many questions on my phone cases all the time, and they're all from Caseify. They're my favorite cases. I've been using them for definitely like a while now, and I love their cases. They're super slimming. They're not bulky at all, which I had a bulky case forever, but now I don't because of Caseify. And they're so cute. This one's the photo grid case. It's customizable. It's so cute. I have pictures. I themed it kind of pink, and I'm literally obsessed with it. So freaking cute. This is actually the impact case that I have the photo grid on. The impact case is engineered with a 2-layer construction of Chi-Tech, and it is drop test approved. No joke. It literally, you can drop it from 6 foot and it's not gonna break your phone with this case on. That's awesome. So important. I drop my phone all the time. These cases also come in more than just the photo grid case. You can get them in any design, color. You can customize them with your name if you want. It's super easy. You just go on to caseify.com and you go to impact or ultra impact case, and then you can totally design it. You can do the watercolor different, you could have the phone case different, you could do photo grid, you could do not photo grid. Also patterns that you could choose from on caseify.com. Caseify also has antimicrobial. I hope I'm saying that right. I don't actually know if I am. It's a hard word to say. But that is a coating that keeps your phone 99% germ-free, killing 99% of the bacteria on your phone. And lastly, their cases are partially made up of recycled plastic, so you can feel good about having a cute phone case. You guys can go to caseify.com/Messler today and get 20% off of your phone case. Definitely go check it out. These are amazing cases. They're really cute. I don't know why you'd want anything more or less, just because, are you kidding me? Look how cute this is. I'm obsessed with this phone case. And it protects my phone. I can literally bye, and it's protected. But yeah, so okay, let's get into what's on my iPhone. I'm gonna start with screen recording my screen, and then we'll get into it. Okay, so this is my lock screen. It's 2 pictures. I made a little collage on, I think, Prequel. Oh, my phone turned off again. Gosh, that's so difficult. Stops the screen recording, but let me talk about it. It's just 2 pictures. Me and my boyfriend, we were at the beach. We were fishing. He was fishing. I was at the beach. My mom took these pictures of us, and I edited them and made this little thing, and now it's my lock screen. I'm gonna actually screen record and be successful at it. Okay, so when you open up my phone, this is what you see. It is pink, blue, yellowy. My background is a picture of the sunset. Yep, I can't show you guys, but it's a picture of the sunset. Maybe if there it is. Picture of the sunset. And then I have this little widget. It's just the time, and it's pink with white. It's not really white. It's kind of an off-white yellowy color for the Tuesday and the time and stuff. Then I have these 2 widgets with 2 pictures, and there's a car driving by. One says enjoy the journey, and it's pink LED neon sign, really cute. And then the other one is a picture of me and my boyfriend at sunset running on the beach. We took these with timer cam, really fun, really cute. Yeah, and then my bottom apps are my most important used app. I have the phone, Instagram, iMessages, and Snapchat. You guys should definitely go follow my Instagram. It's Olivia Messler with 2 R's at the end. Here it is, a little preview. I love the sunset, if you didn't know. We go all the time, so love the beach. But yeah, you can keep up with me on there. Here's my nails, in case you were wondering what they look like. But yeah, definitely go follow my Instagram. I post all the time, literally all the time. So yeah, then I have iMessages and Snapchat. You guys can also add me on Snapchat. It's olivia.messler. It's all in the description box below. So the first little folder I have are Faves, and those are my favorite social media apps, sort of. I have Spotify. You guys can go check me out on there if you want. It's nothing special. I haven't used Spotify in honestly forever because I'm always listening to music off of my boyfriend's phone. Then I have Pinterest. Go follow my Pinterest. Now I love Pinterest. I have a few that I've actually posted, but I have so many boards. Yeah, it's just Olivia Messler, so definitely go check that out. I literally love it. I make boards all the time, so go check that out. And then I have TikTok. You guys can also follow me there. I make TikToks every now and then. Sometimes I get really into them, sometimes not. I don't know. But yeah, go follow my TikTok. I was making a TikTok today. So yeah. I have Twitter. You can follow my Twitter if you want. I think it's 0 Olivia Messler. I never go on Twitter though, so YouTube to subscribe. I just posted a video. Safari, you know, fun. Netflix on my phone, you know, just the basic social media apps. They're my favorite ones though. Then I have like a folder for my Apple Watch stuff. I hardly ever wear my Apple Watch, but I have the Watch app, health, fitness, and sleep cycle. That's it on there, boring. Instagram editing. I have the app Airbrush. It's like Facetune, but it's easier for me to use. Like, I don't know how to do all the Facetune stuff, but I can do this one. I'm like tapping my nails. Is that annoying? But Airbrush, basically, I can like take out a pimple if I want to. I don't have a picture, but say like, I don't know. Say I had a pimple. I don't see one in this picture probably because it's really filtered, but I could just like click it and it'd be good. Or I use skin tone sometimes. If like, say like, see how my hand looks like less orangey? I'll like color it in. Make it like match more. See what I'm talking about? Yeah, that's what I use that app for. Then I have Lightroom. That's what I edit like my Instagram pictures with. If you're interested, I'll show you guys really quick what I do. It's super simple. Let me find like a picture to use. Hold on. I sell clothes on Instagram if you're wondering, so check that out if you want. Okay, let's just go to this selfie. So I have presets that I've like created and saved on here. Don't make fun of the names. There's literally so many because I'll mess around with the filters and all the saturation or the exposure and all of that, and then I like it, so I'll save it and I'll just save it under a random name. I have like the basic this kind of filter. I don't even know what you call that. And then what I use for my Instagram, either new Instagram feed or perfect. Literally the names are so stupid. But perfect like is less like yellowy, but basically what that is like color. Okay, let me show you guys what it is, because so that's what this page looks like. Highlights are down a little bit. Color, basically I just go in here and mess around with the coloring. Like that's cute. I turn yellow down a lot just because I like to take the yellowiness out of my hair a little bit. Maybe mess with the red like that. That's cute. Effects, basically nothing except for a little grain, but even then I don't really like grain that much. But it's basically just like canceling out the yellow, basically is what I do. And then mess with the colors, like say if it is a sunset picture, I have a different filter I would use that's called Beachy, which is basically the same as these two, but I created it with just like enhancing the colors more. So like red, like I would enhance that a little bit. The yellow I brought up instead of having it down to show off the yellow sunset. Blue, you could change the blue around, like you can have it more like this or more purpley. I like it a little bit more on the purpley side. I think it's pretty. So that's what I do to edit my pictures. It's nothing special, but that's what I do. Yeah. Then I have Prequel. The app Retouch, if there's anything in the background of a photo I don't like, I'll take it out with Retouch. Hold on, let me find a picture to use as an example. I have no idea. Okay. Oh my god, wait, no. Get out of here. Okay, look, object remover. I'm gonna remove my feet. Oh, look at that ugly. Ready? Go. They're gone. Isn't that funny? Yeah, so that's what that app is. Then I have Tezza and Visco. You probably know what those are. I hardly ever use them, but I have them, so yeah. Then I have YouTube. I have Fonto, Perfect Video, Pixar, Thumbnail Maker, YouTube Studio, and Mail. Yeah. If you want to start a YouTube channel and you're looking for like a cheap editing YouTube video editor on your phone or something, like an app, I definitely check out Perfect Video. It's my personal favorite, so yeah, it's really, really easy to use. I still use it because it's so much more efficient and faster when I'm just clipping videos together. And then I take my videos into Final Cut Pro for like the deep editing. Then I have boring stuff like no one cares about, like my photos, FaceTime, camera. Like, I mean, it's important apps like on the first slide, but the rest I don't think I've ever slid over there, so yeah. Then I have like shopping, like iTunes, App Store, Apple Store, Hobby Lobby, PayPal, Starbucks, my bank, Venmo, and Yelp. And then I have random stuff, just like random apps I've downloaded, like American Airlines, Phil's Coffee, Chick-fil-A, Selfie, Nespresso, Planet Fitness, Cricket. Then I have my 3 games that I play, Fabby Bird, Heads Up, and Temple Run. So that's literally my phone. It's not super exciting, but I wanted to show you guys just how cute is my freaking, how cute is, oh my gosh. How cute is this? I love the like look of it with the pink and the sunset vibe, that color, so pretty, so cute. So yeah, that's my phone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, definitely check out Caseify for some awesome cases, protective cases, cute cases, super like slimming cases while also being protective. Definitely check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more of me. I try to post all the time. But yeah, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. That was my phone. Take a little peek into my cell phone. So yeah, thank you. See ya. I love you and goodbye.